Pakistan's army chief just claimed God personally intervened to save his military during a conflict with India. No, seriously. Field Marshal Asim Munir stood before religious leaders and said they felt divine help during Operation Sindoor. Let's unpack this wild claim.
और हमने अल्लाह की मदद आते हुए देखी, महसूस की। वही अंसुरकुमुल्लाहु फला गालिब लकुम, हमने महसूस किया।
Earlier this year, India launched Operation Sindoor after the horrific Pahalgam terror attack that killed 26 people. India's response? Precision airstrikes on terror camps across Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. We are talking Bahawalpur, Muridke, Muzaffarabad, the whole network. The operation lasted under 30 minutes. Indian forces reportedly damaged multiple Pakistani air bases, knocked out air defense systems, and destroyed terrorist infrastructure. Pakistan's military was so overwhelmed they called for a ceasefire within 4 days. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Munir addressed the National Ulema Conference in Islamabad, basically a gathering of religious scholars, and invoked a Quranic verse: "If Allah helps you, none can overcome you." His pitch: Pakistan didn't just survive this conflict, they had heaven on their side. "We felt it," he told the crowd. Divine intervention. Angels in the trenches, God's own air defense system. But here's what actually happened. Pakistan begged for a ceasefire. Their Director General of Military Operations had to phone India to stop the bleeding. That's not divine intervention, that's damage control. And Munir's speech wasn't just about India. He took shots at Afghanistan's Taliban too, claiming 70% of militants infiltrating Pakistan are Afghan nationals. He basically told the Taliban, choose us or the Pakistani Taliban. Pick a side. This speech tells us everything about Pakistan's current playbook. When military operations go badly, wrap them in religious rhetoric. When you need legitimacy, invoke divine authority. Munir even claimed only the government can declare jihad, a not so subtle message to militant groups. But calling a military defeat a divine victory, that's not strategy, that's spin. So, did Pakistan experience divine intervention during Operation Sindoor? Well, they survived to fight another day. But when your divine intervention story starts with you calling your enemy to beg for a ceasefire, maybe the angels were on coffee break. Field Marshal Asim Munir, military leader, religious orator, and apparently Heaven's press secretary. With Debangan Adatta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.